What if I told you that one night, just one night, could change your entire life? Sounds impossible, right? But stay with me, because what you're about to learn is the exact technique that has helped people manifest their deepest desires overnight. Think about it. Every single thing in your life right now started as a thought. The house you live in, the job you have, the relationships you experience. At some point, all of it existed only in your mind. But what if you could take that process and supercharge it? What if, instead of waiting for years, you could shift your reality in just a few hours while you sleep? This isn't just some feel-good idea. This is based on the teachings of Neville Goddard and the law of assumption. And if you do this right, by the time you wake up, your reality will already be shifting. Neville believed one thing: your imagination is your reality. What you assume to be true will become true. And tonight, you're going to prove it to yourself. The ritual is simple, but you have to follow it exactly. Here's what you need to do before you sleep. First, decide what you want, not what you hope for, not what you wish for, what you know is already yours. Most people get stuck here. They think of their desires as something far away, something they might achieve one day. That's the mistake. Your job is to claim it now. Write it down as if it's happening in this moment. Instead of saying, "I want to be wealthy," say, "I am grateful for my financial freedom." Instead of thinking, "I wish I had my dream partner," say, "I am deeply loved and in a fulfilling relationship." The key is to feel it as real. Your words aren't just words, they're instructions, commands, a direct message to your subconscious that this is your new reality. This is where the magic happens. As you drift off, you must see yourself living your dream, not chasing it, not waiting for it. You are it. Close your eyes and step into that version of yourself. Feel the joy, the excitement, the relief of already having it. See the details, the way your bank account looks, the way your dream home smells, the sound of your loved one's voice beside you. Let this be your last thought before you sleep. Because in that moment, your subconscious takes over, and it does not know the difference between imagination and reality. And here's the part most people miss. Right before you close your eyes, whisper 3 words. It is done. Not, "I hope it works." Not, "I'll try again tomorrow." No, say it with certainty. It is done. Then, let go. You're not trying anymore. You're just allowing, because the moment you declare it, the shift has already started. Now, all you have to do is wake up and watch how your world begins to change. By morning, something will have shifted. It might be a phone call, a sudden opportunity, a message you weren't expecting, or maybe a thought so clear that it feels like a sign. Pay attention, because the moment you assume your new reality, the universe starts rearranging itself to match it. Every small shift, every little coincidence, it's not random, it's alignment. So tonight, don't just sleep, manifest. Close your eyes with intention. See it happening. Feel it as if it's already real. Because one night is all you need to turn things around. And if you're serious about unlocking even more powerful techniques, make sure you follow for the next video. Your dream life is already forming. The question is, will you step into it? Will you claim it? Want to make this even stronger? Before you do anything else, grab a piece of paper. Write their name on it, the person you've been waiting to hear from, the one that's been on your mind. Right below, write exactly what you'd love them to say when they reach out. Not just any message, the exact words you want to hear. Now, fold that paper, hold it for a second. Feel the energy of it. Then place it under your pillow overnight. Why does this work? Simple. When you write something down by hand, your brain takes it more seriously. It shifts from a passing thought into something real, a belief. And belief is what speeds things up. It's what turns a possibility into a reality. Sounds easy, right? But don't just listen. Try it tonight. Just once. No expectations. Just trust the process. And if you wake up to that message, you know what to do. Come back and tell me in the comments exactly what happened. Now, be honest. Who's the person you want to hear from? Drop a hint in the comments. You don't have to say the name, but I'll know what you mean. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because I've got more techniques like this, ones you don't want to miss. See you in the next one.